Hello guys, this is my screencast for MUX week 2, and we're gonna show off the prototype and go over some of the findings and the overall experience, which was good. It's pretty much it's interesting what you're able to find on that, and so what I'm trying to find here is the size of this window. So basically, this is the prototype, and we go through. It's actually very functional, and there's some fail safes that I haven't put in place, but you can accomplish, and it go ahead, it deletes it, and then puts it down on this line item table view. I'm sorry, and then we can share it. And it shares to Facebook, and that's cool. All right, so this is pretty much it, and this is all the accomplished apps are completed. It's how you delete. Nobody found the delete. That's what I found. Oh, I'll tell you, out of the 6 people, one person found out how to delete. Everybody else took them 20-25 seconds, and I was like, okay. And some people would actually go into the accomplished task, which is here, and they would mark that, and it effectively deleted it out of the list, but it didn't really do what I asked them to. Now, I did ask later on down the line, if you were setting goals, would you really delete the items? And instead of deleting, I think one of the things that would be valuable would be just to be able to edit. Currently, there's nothing that I'm able to, or editing is not available. So basically, that's no problem. That's actually something I already had in mind. And actually, key you in, I took the editing function out just so that I'd have something to put in the next iteration. But you shouldn't really develop like that. Other than that, I did actually go through, I went through 6 people, but the other results are on my iPad, which is currently dead, and I don't have a charger for it. I'm not even at my house. So, but as you can see, I went through a lot of the done button. Now, one of the things, here's another thing. The done button doesn't work here, and really what it'll do is it'll trigger it'll trigger autocorrect if it's available, if there's something available. So I have to write this done button, to where it completes, or at least dismisses the keyboard, and maybe change the color of the save button. Oops. So that's pretty much what I found. It was definitely a good experience. I'm glad that I was able to see that. Everybody, when they went through here, they initially went in here to delete, and that's where I need to really put this. I need to put a delete button on this screen. I've actually already working on it. That's something I saw last night when I did a couple of the tests last night. That everybody, their first response was to click on the item and hit delete. That's no problem. That's pretty easy. Other than that, that's my test. That's my findings. This was fun, very fun, and I'll talk to you guys later. Let's see, anything I'm missing? The follow-up survey, just so that you can see it, was this. I had them add a task, delete an item, share, delete item, complete an item, timed it. Most of these were on the average of 11, 12 seconds. Delete ended up being 25 max. Share item was about six seconds. Complete an item. Since they were familiar with the screen and had already seen it, took them about 7 seconds to do that. This was very simple because it was a tab item. It was checkmark. The icon was pretty easy. This is basically the scale. Everybody, for the most part thought it was very easy to complete. No, or yes, said it was easy to interpret. Nothing really was confusing except for the delete. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.